Hello everyone, my name is Rohit Dhodi. Today the topic of my presentation free cash flow to firm. What is FCFF? FCFF or free cash flow to firm is the cash flow available to all funding providers, debt holders, preferred stockholders, common stockholders, convertible bond investor, etc. This can also refer to as unlevered free cash flow, and it represents the surplus cash flow available to a business if it was debt-free. A common starting point for calculating it, which net operating profit after tax, which can be obtained by multiplying earnings before interest and taxes by. From that we remove all non-cash expense and remove the effect of capital expenditure and changes in the net working capital, as the core operation are the focus. Free cash flow is equal to net profit plus depreciation and amortization minus capital expenditure minus delta net working capital. FCFF in business valuation. FCFF is an important part of the two-step DCF model, which is an strict valuation method. The second step, where we calculate the terminal value of the business, may use the FCFF with terminal growth rate, or more commonly we may use an exit multiple and assume the business is sold. DCF analysis is a valuable business valuation technique, as it evaluates the intrinsic value of the business by looking at the cash generating ability of the business. Conventionally, CAMS and precedent transaction both use relative valuation approach, which is common in private equity due to restricted access to information. Example of how to calculate FCFF. The following is a quick snippet of the business valuation modeling course, which has a step-by-step guide on building DCF model. Part of the two-step DCF model is to calculate the FCFF for projected years. This is financial statement. FCFF formula. NOPAT means net operating profit. D&A means depreciation and amortization expense. CAPEX means capital expenditure. Delta net WC means change in net working capital. So using the numbers from 2018 on the image above, you have net profit, which is equivalent to EBIT less the cash taxes, equal to 29,899. We add depreciation and amortization, which are non-cash expenses, to net profit and get a total of capital expenditure, in this case 15,000, and get to subtotal of 28,031. Lastly, we subtract all the changes to net working capital, in this case 3175, and get an FCFF value of 24,856. 3 alternative FCFF formula. When a financial analyst is modeling a business, they might only have access to partial information from certain sources. This is particularly true in private equity, as private companies do not have the rigorous reporting requirements that public companies do. Here are some other equivalent formulas that can be used to calculate the FCFF. NI means net income, DNA means depreciation and amortization, NIT means interest expense, CapEx means capital expenditure, delta net WC means net change in working capital. FCO means cash flow from operations, NIT means interest expense, CapEx means capital expenditure. EBIT means earning before interest and tax, D&A means depreciation and amortization, CapEx means capital expenditure, delta net WC means net change in working capital. Thank you.